Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Real Talk English. I'm Emily, and today we're talking about something that makes people smile all over the world pets.
That's right. I'm Daniel, and today's topic is all about how to talk about your pets in natural, conversational English. Whether you have a dog, cat, bird, or even a hamster, we've got you covered.
Oh, I'm so excited about this episode. Just yesterday I was at the park with my dog, and someone came up to me and said, "Oh, what a cute dog. What's his name?" And we ended up chatting for like 20 minutes, all because of my dog.
That's exactly why this topic is so useful. Pets are amazing conversation starters. People love talking about their animals, and it's one of the easiest ways to make friends or practice your English with strangers.
Right, but a lot of learners tell us they don't know the right words to describe their pets, or they're not sure how to ask questions about someone else's pet without sounding awkward.
Exactly. Like, do you say, how old is your dog? Or what age is your dog? Is it, my dog is very energetic? Or my dog has a lot of energy? These little differences matter when you want to sound natural.
So today, we're going to have a real conversation about pets, the kind you'd have at a dog park, with a neighbor, or when someone shows you pictures of their cat on their phone.
By the end of this episode, you'll know how to describe your pet's personality, talk about what they like to do, ask questions about other people's pets, and share cute stories about your furry friends.
Plus, we'll teach you those sweet little phrases like, "he's such a good boy," or "she's a rescue," that native speakers use all the time.
And honestly, even if you don't have a pet, this vocabulary is super useful because people love talking about their animals. Knowing how to engage in these conversations will help you connect with people.
So, whether you're a dog person, a cat person, or you love all animals, this episode will help you talk about them confidently in English.
Let's get started.
Okay, Daniel, I have to show you something. Look at this picture of my dog.
Oh my gosh, he's adorable. What kind of dog is he?
He's a golden retriever. His name is Max, and he's the sweetest dog ever.
I can tell. He looks so friendly. How old is he?
He just turned 3 years old last month. We actually had a little birthday party for him.
That's so cute. Did you make him a special treat or something?
Yes, I made him homemade dog treats shaped like bones. He went crazy for them.
Aw, that's adorable. So what's Max like? Is he energetic, calm?
Oh, he's super energetic. Like, I have to take him for a walk at least twice a day, or he gets restless and starts running around the house.
Yeah, golden retrievers are known for being active dogs. Do you take him to a dog park?
Yes, there's one near my house, and he absolutely loves it. He gets along with all the other dogs there.
That's great. Not all dogs are that social. My sister has a dog that doesn't really like other dogs.
Oh, really? What kind of dog does she have?
She has a rescue dog, a mixed breed. They think he's part terrier, part something else. They're not totally sure.
Oh, he's a rescue. That's wonderful.
Yeah, my sister adopted him about 2 years ago. He was really shy at first, but now he's warmed up to everyone in the family.
Aw, that's so sweet. Rescue dogs can be the most loyal pets. What's his name?
His name is Charlie, and you're right, he's incredibly loyal. He follows my sister everywhere.
That's adorable. Does he know any tricks?
A few. He can sit, stay, and shake hands. My sister is still trying to teach him to roll over, but he's not getting it yet.
Some dogs are easier to train than others. Max learned to sit and stay pretty quickly, but teaching him not to jump on people took forever.
Oh yeah, that's a tough one, especially with big dogs. So do you have any other pets besides Max?
Actually, yes. I also have a cat named Luna. She's a tabby cat and she's about 5 years old.
Oh wow. How do Max and Luna get along? I've heard that dogs and cats don't always like each other.
Well, it depends. When we first brought Max home as a puppy, Luna was not happy. She would hiss at him and hide under the bed, but over time, they've become best friends.
Aw, that's so cute. Do they play together?
Sometimes. Mostly they just nap together on the couch. Luna's definitely more of a lap cat. She loves to cuddle.
That sounds so cozy. I've always wanted a cat, but I travel too much for work. I don't think it would be fair to the cat.
Yeah, pets definitely need attention and care. Speaking of which, what would you get if you could have any pet?
Hmm. I think I'd get a dog. Maybe a medium-sized breed, like a beagle or a corgi. Something friendly and not too big for an apartment.
Corgis are so cute, those little legs. Do you know anyone with a corgi?
Actually, my neighbor has one. His name is Biscuit, and he's hilarious. He barks at everything, the mailman, other dogs, even leaves blowing in the wind.
That's so typical of small dogs. They have big personalities. Max hardly ever barks unless someone knocks on the door.
Really? That's interesting. I guess every dog has their own personality, just like people.
Exactly. Luna, my cat, has such a strong personality too. She's very independent. Like, she only wants attention when she decides. You can't force her to cuddle.
Yeah, that's very cat-like. Dogs are usually more eager to please, right?
Definitely. Max is always trying to make me happy. If I come home and I seem sad, he'll bring me his favorite toy or rest his head on my lap to comfort me.
Aw, that's so sweet. Dogs really are amazing at sensing emotions. Do you ever take Max on trips with you?
Sometimes we took him to the beach last summer and he had the time of his life playing in the water and digging in the sand.
That sounds amazing. I bet he was exhausted afterward.
Oh my gosh, yes. He slept for like 12 hours straight when we got home. It was the quietest evening I've had in months.
I love that. So, Emily, do you have any advice for someone who's thinking about getting their first pet?
Oh, great question. I'd say first, really think about your lifestyle. Like, do you have time to walk a dog every day? Can you afford vet bills and food? And also consider adopting from a shelter. There's so many animals looking for a good home.
That's really good advice. And I'd add, do your research about different breeds. Some dogs need tons of exercise, while others are happy just lounging around.
Exactly. Like if you live in a small apartment, you probably don't want a husky or a border collie. They need so much space and activity.
Right. Oh, and one more thing. Be prepared for the responsibility. Pets aren't just cute, they need training, medical care, and lots of love and patience.
Absolutely. But honestly, it's so worth it. I can't imagine my life without Max and Luna. They bring so much joy to my everyday life.
I can totally see that. All right, everyone, I think it's time we break down the vocabulary from our conversation.
Yes, let's go through all the essential pet vocabulary we just covered.
First up, the sweetest, cutest, best pet ever. This is an enthusiastic, affectionate way to describe a pet you love. Example, my cat is the sweetest cat ever, or he's the best dog ever. Very common among pet owners.
Next is went crazy for. This means loved something very much or got very excited about it. Example, my dog went crazy for these new treats, or the cat went crazy for that feather toy. Very expressive and natural.
Super energetic describes a pet with lots of energy who needs exercise and playtime. Example, my puppy is super energetic. She never stops running. You can also say really active, full of energy, or hyper.
Gets along with means has a good relationship with others or is friendly toward them. Example, my dog gets along with all the neighborhood dogs. Or, does your cat get along with children? Perfect for describing social behavior.
Super energetic describes a pet with lots of energy who needs exercise and playtime. Example, my puppy is super energetic. She never stops running. You can also say really active, full of energy, or hyper.
Become best friends describes how two pets or people develop a close relationship over time. Example, my two cats became best friends after a few weeks, or the dog and cat became best friends. So sweet.
A lap cat or lap dog is an animal that enjoys sitting on people's laps and being close to humans. Example, she's such a lap cat, always on my lap when I'm reading. Or, small lap dogs are perfect for cuddling.
Barks at everything means a dog barks very frequently at many things. Example, my neighbor's dog barks at everything cars, birds, squirrels. You can also say barks at strangers or barks when the doorbell rings. Rest her head on my lap is a sweet way to describe affectionate pet behavior. Example, My dog rests his head on my lap when I'm sad, or she rests her head on my knee while I work. Shows closeness and affection.
Had the time of her life means enjoyed something tremendously or had the best experience. Example, my dog had the time of his life at the dog beach. Or the cat had the time of her life with that new toy. Very enthusiastic.
Looking for a good home is a phrase used for shelter animals who need adoption. Example, this sweet puppy is looking for a good home, or many rescue cats are looking for loving families, encouraging and kind.
And bring so much joy means make someone very happy on a regular basis. Example, my pets bring so much joy to my life. Or, animals bring so much joy to everyone they meet. Very positive and heartfelt.
We should also mention a few more useful pet words, like breed. That's the specific type of dog or cat. What breed is your dog? Golden Retriever, Poodle, Beagle, those are all breeds.
Great point. And mixed breed or mutt means a dog that's a combination of different breeds. He's a mixed breed, or casually, he's a mutt. Both are fine, though mutt is more informal.
Right. And for cats, we have specific terms too. Tabby is a cat with striped or spotted fur. Calico has 3 colors. Siamese is a specific breed with blue eyes and light fur with dark points.
We should also cover basic pet care vocabulary. Vet is short for veterinarian, the doctor for animals. I'm taking my dog to the vet tomorrow.
And neuter or spay means to surgically prevent a pet from having babies. Is your cat spayed? It's a responsible thing to do for pets.
Microchip is a tiny device implanted in pets so they can be identified if they get lost. My dog is microchipped just in case he ever runs away.
For dog owners specifically, leash is what you attach to a dog's collar when walking. Please keep your dog on a leash in the park.
And house-trained or potty-trained means a pet knows to go to the bathroom outside or in a litter box, not inside the house. Is your puppy house-trained yet?
For cats, litter box is where indoor cats go to the bathroom. I need to clean the litter box, or my cat uses her litter box perfectly.
Great additions. Now let's move on to practice.
Okay, everyone, it's practice time.
We're going to give you 2 scenarios. Pause the podcast after each one and practice responding out loud. Don't worry about being perfect. Just try.
Scenario 1. You're at a park and someone comes up to you with a cute dog. They say, "Do you have any pets?" Answer using at least 2 phrases from today's episode. Describe your pet or a pet you'd like to have. Pause.
Here's a sample answer. Yes, I have a cat named Bella. She's a rescue and she's the sweetest cat ever. She's pretty independent, but she's a total lobcat when she wants to cuddle.
Perfect. Now, scenario 2. Your friend just got a new puppy and shows you a picture. React positively and ask 2 questions about the puppy.
Sample answer. Oh my gosh, so cute. What breed is he? And how old is he? I bet he's super energetic.
Excellent. Now, here's your challenge for this week.
If you have a pet, practice describing them in English. Say it out loud. Talk about their personality, what they look like, and what they like to do.
If you don't have a pet, describe your dream pet. What kind would you get? What would you name them?
And if you meet someone with a pet, either in person or online, try asking them questions using the vocabulary from today. What kind of dog is that? Or how old is your cat?
You can also leave a comment on this episode telling us about your pet. It's great practice, and we'd love to hear about your furry friends.
The more you use these phrases, the more natural they'll become.
All right, everyone, let's wrap this up.
Today, we covered how to talk about your pets in natural conversational English, from describing their personality to sharing cute stories about them.
Remember the key phrases: super energetic, gets along with, a rescue, warmed up to, and brings so much joy. These will make your pet conversations sound natural and sweet.
Next episode, we're talking about hobbies and free time activities, another great conversation topic for making friends.
If you enjoyed this episode, tell us in the comments. Do you have a pet? What's their name? And what are they like? We want to hear all about them.
Thanks so much for listening to Real Talk English. I'm Daniel.
And I'm Emily. Keep practicing and give your pets extra cuddles from us.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.